morning students, I welcome you to the online classes SGOI. So students, we are doing revision of our half yearly examinations. So today I will be telling two questions of chapter 11, that is simple interest. Okay. So let's see question number 2. It is very important question also, and I will make you understand the idea of solving such kind of questions also. Okay. Then question number 2 question is saying, in what time will rupees 7,500 amount to rupees 8625? That means question में principal given है, that is equal to rupees 7,500. ठीक है, principal is being given the question, that is rupees 7,500, and amount is also given, that is equal to rupees 8650. ठीक है, so 8625 amount is given, that is equal to rupees 8625. Now in the question they are saying that if the simple interest is reckoned at 7 whole 1/2% per annum, that means rate is also given in the question, that is 7 whole 1/2%. इसको आप चेंज करोगे तो आप लिख सकते हो 15/2% per annum. ठीक है. Now question is saying that you have to find the time. Time find करना, time का फॉर्मूला आप जानते हो, that is SI multiply by 100 upon P multiply by R. ठीक है. जैसे आप ये देखोगे तो आप क्लियरली देख पाओगे, प्रिंसिपल तो हमें पता है, रेट भी हमें पता है, लेकिन हमें सिंपल इंटरेस्ट या एसआई नहीं पता. तो आप जानते हो कि एसआई इज इक्वल टू क्या होता है, अमाउंट माइनस प्रिंसिपल. तो अमाउंट इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन, दैट इज रुपीज 8625 माइनस प्रिंसिपल इज 7500. व्हेन वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस वी विल गेट 1125 रुपीज एज सिंपल इंटरेस्ट. ठीक है, सिंपल इंटरेस्ट कितना होगा, रुपीज 1125. पुट करेंगे वैल्यूज, विल गेट टाइम इज इक्वल टू एसआई इज 1125 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100 अपॉन प्रिंसिपल इज 7500 इनटू रेट कितना है 15/2. 15 नीचे और 2 ऊपर चला जाएगा. ठीक है. नाउ 0 एंड 0 विल बी एलिमिनेटेड. दिस विल बी 5 3 is 15 and this will give us 5 2 is 10, 1 2 5 2 is 10, 5 5 is 25. 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे इसको, विल गेट 3 1 is 3. This will be 3 7 21 and 3 5 are 15. 75 and 75 will be eliminated. So clearly time is equal to 2 years is the answer of this question. ठीक है. तो टाइम कैलकुलेट करने के लिए ये फॉर्मूला यूज करके we have calculated time is equal to 2 years. Let's see one more question of this chapter. Now let's see question number 5. Question number 5 is saying that at what rate percent simple interest will 66,000 amount to 72,720 in 2 years. That means किस बार question में rate find करना है. Principal is given in the question, that is equal to rupees 66,000. Principal is given, that is equal to rupees 66,000. Amount is also given, that is equal to rupees 72720. 72720. Okay. Now time is also given, that is 2 years. Time is equal to 2 years. The question is saying that you have to find the rate of interest, and we know that rate of interest का formula, that is SI multiply by 100 upon P into T. ठीक है. Again we have principal, we have time, but we don't have simple interest. Again we will be using the formula SI is equal to amount minus principal. Amount is 72720 minus 66,000. When we will subtract this, we will get rupees 6,720. Okay, that means जो हमारा simple interest है वो है rupees 6,720 rupees. ठीक है. पुट करेंगे तो रेट विल बी इक्वल टू SI is 6720 into 100 upon principal was rupees 66,000 multiplied by time was 2 years. 0 and 0, 0 and 0. This 0 and this 0 will be eliminated. Now you can clearly see that this and this will be directly eliminated by 11. ठीक है, तो 11 6 the 66, this is 11 6 11 से नहीं 6 अगर देखते हैं 6 11 the 66 and this will be 6 1 the 6 6 1 the 6 and 6 2 the 12. ओके नाउ 2 से डिवाइड करके देखते हैं इसको 2 1 the 2, this will be 2 5 the 10 and 2 6 the 12, 56 upon 11. ठीक है, डिवाइड करेंगे तो वी विल गेट रेट इज इक्वल टू 11 5 the 55, that is 5 whole 1 upon 11% is the rate of interest which you are required to find in this question. So this is all in today's class. I will be discussing 2 more questions of some other chapter in our next class. Thank you.